Woke up to a gray morning, just like the one before. Another day with an empty chair and a silence at the door. The coffee felt too bitter, the sky was holding rain. This house just feels so different since you're gone, since you're gone away. Then a flash of red on the wire outside just sat there and it looked right in my eyes. It sang a little song that was so sweet and low. And in that moment, Dad, I swear that I just knew it was you, still here, saying hello. The world got real quiet, I almost held my breath. It was a perfect sound, a life above all death. Didn't need a telescope or some grand display, just a feathered song in a moment to say, I remember the last song we ever played. 'Cause a flash of red on the wire outside just sat there and it looked right in my eyes. It sang a little song that was so sweet and low. And in that moment, Dad, I swear that I just knew it was you, still here, saying hello. Now some might call it a coincidence, some might see a bird, but I know that was your spirit, every single word. Even in the winter, and all the trees are bare, that stubborn little flash of red is a sign that you are there. Yeah, a flash of red on the wire outside just sat there and it looked right in my eyes. It sang a little song that was so sweet and low. And in that moment, Dad, I swear that I just knew it was you, still here, saying hello, saying hello, saying I'm still here, still here, still here. Yeah, saying I'm still here. Just a flash of red on the wire, letting me know